Hey, what's going on, guys? Eddie Harvey here from tradewithed.com. All right, so let's talk about how to identify a trend. All right, so there are definitely different ways you can do it. I'm just going to share with you a couple ways that I identify a trend. Excuse me. With trading Forex, for sure, you've probably heard the trend is your friend. Look to the left, guys. Knowing the trend you're in, you don't ever want to trade against the trend. That's like rule of thumb. All right, so it's like breaking a cardinal rule when you go against the trend. So if you look here, guys, I'm looking at GBP USD. Break this down really quickly. As you can see right here, if you want to look for different trends, guys, it's kind of right here. The market is trending. If you look right here, this is an uptrend, right? Then right here, we have a downtrend. And then again, right here, the market started trending up. So now the market is tapered off a little bit and going into what we call some consolidation. And you can see it's going back and forth, back and forth. It's going sideways. It really hasn't decided what it wants to do yet. Is it going to go back down? Is it going to go up? What's going to happen? So how do we identify these trends? So let me clear all of this out to make this a little more clear, because you can see I got my charts marked up for some for potential entries that occurred and whatnot. So let's do this. Let's clear this out. Okay, now we have a more clear, concise picture, and I can make this smaller, guys. And I'm looking at this. This is on a 1 hour chart. So as you can see here, once I even make it zoom out, you can see trends even more. Okay, look at this. Look at this right here. Wow, look at this. At one point, GBP was dropping. This was a nice trend to the downside. Okay, then it trended up, dropped a little bit, little consolidation, then started trending down again, and trending up, down. This is the ones I just pointed out. So one of the ways, guys, you can, first thing you look for is you can look at a trend. You can obviously, looking at this, you can see, hey, the candles are going down, the candles are going up. So simply being put, the red candles, for me, I use red candles are selling, meaning the market is going short or selling. And if for the green candles, that's a buy. The market is going long or going up, and the red candles are going down. So the first thing, one of the ways you identify, like right here, I'll come pick this out right here, guys. You look for higher highs and lower lows. So if you look here in this uptrend right here, I was able to identify this, guys, by the candles and the wicks forming new levels. So if you look here, like the market started moving up right here, and let's just take this level right here. This is a higher high. This is a higher low right here. Then it went up again. This is a higher high. This is a lower low. Higher high, lower low. For sure, higher high, higher high, higher low. So then going over here, the market changing. Lower high, lower low. Another drop down again, so that's another lower high, another lower low right here. Then we had another lower low, but then the market hit some consolidation. So looking for higher highs and higher lows at the different points of the candles, guys, off of these wicks. You know, typically when you see a wick, that's a level of forming what's called a level of resistance or support. Meaning that's what a market price was respected at that level, and it took a while for it to break. So if you look right here, as this came down, price was respected at this level. It never broke right here. Then price shot all the way back up. So it's a good chance this is going to be a strong level right here. So just showing you all this really quickly, just showing you different things. Right here, boom, price. I like to make zones. So this zone right here, this was a nice support zone. If you look right here, look at this respected level of support. Then right here, look at all of these wicks where price was respected. Then boom, price finally broke out right here, as you can see. Then formed what, a newer lower low, a newer lower high. Came down again, another lower high, another lower low right here, some consolidation. Then price started going back up. higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and back and forth. All right, so that's one way you can look at it, guys. Looking at it's trending, looking at the pattern is going down. Simply put, that's down, that's up. Okay, that lets you know you have a trend. Right here, this is sideways. It's not deciding what it want to do. See, it went down, 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 down. Boom, got right here, hit this level, sideways, sideways, sideways. Dropped a little bit, went up a little bit, sideways, 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 down, then sideways, 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 then started going up and up and up again. Down, 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 trending, sideways, sideways. And typically, guys, if you notice, every time this pair is coming out of consolidation or moving sideways, it's going to choose a side. It's going to choose to go up or go down. Once it breaks out of consolidation, it's either going to go up or down. It broke out of consolidation, went up right here. Okay, on this one, it broke out of consolidation, went down right here. All right, so the second way, guys, and I'm going to cut this video short. Second way is using trend lines. Okay, it's called, you see a trend line right here. Simple put. So a trend line is going to help you identify a trend really quickly. What you look for when you have a trend line is that you look for, I believe it's 2 to 3 touches, okay, where with the wicks. So we go from wick to wick. If you can get 2 to 3 touches, you have a trend line. You have a trend. You got 1 touch here, a 2nd touch here. I can extend this out and go all the way here. And if you look, I have multiple touches, okay? Check that out. Pretty cool, right? You can see multiple touches on this wick. It's touching here. 1 touch, 2 touch. It didn't touch here, but then I can even bring it down a little bit more to where it's touching that one. You can say 3 touches, 4 touches, and then you can see it's like 5 touches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that's a definite trend. Now look what happened. It candle broke through, and boom, candle started moving up this way, forming an uptrend. Okay. Now to form this uptrend, I'm going to do another trend line just to show you all. We're looking for what? Multiple touches again, right? To let us know we have a trend going on. Okay. So I'm going to look here, started here, 1, 2, 3 touches right there. So another trend. So at least 2 touches is a trend. So in this one, I thought I had 3, but I have 2. 1 touch here, 2 touch there. That was an uptrend for sure. It broke, then it changed. Okay. So that's the second way, guys, that you can identify a trend, is by using trend lines. All right. So guys, hope you all, and on a downtrend, you look for have the with the trend line on a downtrend, guys, to identify a downtrend. You're touching the wicks as you follow the candle pattern down, and you're touching the wicks on the highest point here. And on a buy, that's for selling on a buy, as the pattern, the trend pattern price is going up, you're touching wicks on the bottom side to identify a trend. All right, guys. So hope that made sense. Hope you all found some value in this. Again, like I said, there are so many different ways to identify trend. These are the ways I identify trend. Just 2 ways. There are definitely more, but I hope this made sense. Hope you all got some value from it, and I definitely appreciate you all watching. Listen, guys, if you want to learn more about trend lines, identifying trends, more about trading pairs, the ins and outs of Forex, and also how you can profit with Forex, getting access to tools to help you profit while you're learning about it, simply go to tradewithed.com for more information on how you can make that happen. Appreciate you guys. I will talk to you all later. Guys, if you got value from this video, do me a favor, hit the like button. You want to hear more from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.